Alright, team, Tuesday afternoon. We did our barbecue grill, we did our mower. These are Monday bikes. We picked these up Monday. I can't remember. Oh, the light fixtures. We picked the light fixtures up. I already scrapped them. I took the wiring and the ballasts off. My scrapyard ballasts are now they used to be money. Now they're just basically garbage. They'll still buy them, but they buy them at the lowest price that they buy anything. Anyway, it's hot. We're gonna call it a day. Alright, team, Wednesday afternoon. We did our bikes from Monday? I don't even remember now. We did pick up an elliptical Tuesday. It's already on here. It's a black mess. That's it for newbie stuff. We'll do the bike tires and cut the wheels. I might go through this stuff and clean the aluminum. And I didn't realize I got a wire tote here. I might work on that too. We will see. Alright, team, Thursday afternoon. We changed up the plan a little. We ended up doing our dryer so I can fill it with all our buckets of stuff. We did do the wheels. I don't remember. I do not remember. Anyway, I did the dryer so we could toss stuff like that in there. And our spokes and our other buckets of smallies. We didn't do the wire. We didn't do any aluminum. I wanted to maybe work on the east side a little bit. Hello, bear. Oh, there's Bucky. Anyway, I wanted to do some pickup out here. Hey, Oakley. You going in? But we'll see what happens. We'll see, guys. Alright, team, Friday afternoon. A couple of those frames are new, a couple are from the east side. The chairs are new. I'm not sure. We didn't fill our dryer yet. That tonneau cover is a Wednesday. The chairs are a Thursday. We've been doing aluminum. We've been doing the aluminum from here. Been doing these guys. Taking the pedals and the gears off. I still need to go through all the brake parts. And whatever other aluminum's there on the floor. We did do some pickup on the east side. I don't know if you can tell, other than it might look less cluttered. The plan is to clear off this desk and just get rid of it. So I gotta figure out what we're gonna do with all the goodies on top of the desk. Not necessarily today, but that's our plan. Our plan is to get rid of the desk. Because the desk originally was supposed to be a workbench, but it has just become storage. So I'm gonna get rid of it. Plus I need the square footage. Now we're trying to keep Scrapville in this area. and not have it on the west side anymore. I need more floor space, I guess. Anyway, guys, we will get going. Alright, team, Sunday morning. We Rockstar partied Saturday, but we didn't do any filming. We did some Eastside cleanup. We did some of this aluminum stuff. We did some house stuff. We worked on Bob's Squad proofing the house, making it more puppy friendly. That's from doing aluminum. You know, the cranks, taking the gears off, taking the pedals off. We did dump our buckets of goodies into our dryer. We got our chairs done, threw them up on the trailer. Today's plan, this is from our once a week guy. The bike stuff, this is from Saturday, pickups. The plan is I'm going to do these bikes, or bike parts, I guess. Strip them down, get them on the trailer. I don't know what else we're going to work on. That's an aluminum frame window. Oh, I'm not sure, guys. I could always clean up aluminum brake stuff. It's all over the place. That would be helpful to clean up that. I suppose everybody's dizzy now. That would be helpful to clean up that. Let's hit the east side now that we can actually just walk over there. This is all our wiring. I've showed you this in previous videos. Ooh. A lot of that has been hanging out here on the east side. The desk is gone. Well, it's not gone. It's taken apart. It's waiting to be thrown out. It was all weather damaged. So we got just a mess of stuff that was on the desk that I need to figure out what we're going to do with. I forgot about that mower. It's aluminum deck. Anyway, maybe we could do that today. I got a bigger to-do list than I have time. Sure that doesn't happen to anybody else but me. Ooh, maybe I could plug in the freezer today. See if we could figure out what we're going to do with that. I'm thinking the bounty program, just because it's got a little bit of damage. Anyway, we cleaned off the desk, so this is a mess. It's aluminum. We got our gas can collection, all our other junk. An aluminum run would help, huh? What do you think about that? If we ran the aluminum, it'd probably be clean back here. Oh, my stuff crushed my lid. My can's full of crushed aluminum cans. I've got more of them still on the west side. Should probably go over to the west side before the video ends. Anyway, still need to peel the skins off these. Aluminum skin. Anyway, we'll get going. Alright, team, Monday morning. We'll wrap up the rest. We did hit that big aluminum pile of dirty aluminum, and we've been cleaning it. I still didn't finish it. Those are steel. I think these are steel and aluminum. I don't remember what's going on with those two. But we did go through this. We cleaned all our brake parts. Oh, we did not get all the cranks done. I still got more crank stuff going on. I think that's about it for in here, guys. We just made a mess cleaning up, as usual. Dig through a pile and make a bigger mess. This is all steely stuff going on the trailer. Those are all steel wheels. Oh, trailer's maybe 3/4 full. I'm getting down to the complicated tailgate part. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I only got one appliance. I only got the one dryer, so I'm not quite sure. I don't know if I'm gonna do the dryer, combination file cabinet thing. Maybe I'll grab that desk from the east side. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to finish that out. I think I'll skip walking the east side. We'll go check out the west side though. I don't think I got any west side on this video. Alright team, west side. I don't feel like I've been out here all week. I don't remember what's going on. Oh, those 3 cans are the crushed aluminum cans that need to go to the east side. I believe we have 4 bikes. I think that's it. I don't think I got any on the east side. Still haven't moved this aluminum frame treadmill. But we're getting down to it over here. Training wheels and good seats and bike pumps. Those all hold air. They're all like old school 10-speed and beach cruisers. But I'm guessing they're gonna go away because I don't have any bikes to put them on anymore. Still have not gone through there. So I got my patio furniture collection. I still have not searched through this stump out here, stump 3. I think that's it. There isn't really much to see out here anymore. Let me go back to the garage, wrap you up, I guess. Alright, team. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you next week, team.